My dearest friends, welcome. Welcome to a truly liberating journey, a journey into the power of your own mind and the profound freedom that comes from transforming negative thoughts into seeds of peace and positive possibilities. Take a deep, gentle breath with me now, allowing the air to fill you with a sense of quiet hope and inner knowing. And as you slowly exhale, just imagine letting go of any heavy, critical, or anxious thoughts that might be swirling in your mind. Just for these precious moments, let them float away. For today, we are going to talk about something utterly essential for your well-being: how to gently, yet powerfully transform negative thoughts, how to shift your mindset to one of positive thinking, and how to consciously restructure your inner dialogue for lasting peace and joy. I know that for many, negative thoughts can feel like an overwhelming current, a habit that's hard to break. But I am here to gently, yet firmly, remind you that you are not your thoughts. You are the conscious observer, and you have the power to choose what you focus on, what you believe, and what you allow to shape your reality. So, settle in, relax, and open your heart. Your journey to a positive, peaceful mind begins now. Hello again, beautiful souls. It is such a joy to be with you, to connect heart to heart in this sacred space of healing and understanding. For those of you who might be new to my gentle way of working, I want to assure you that everything I share comes from a place of deep love and an unwavering belief in your inherent worthiness. You see, for so long, many of us have carried a heavy burden of negative thinking. We might have grown up in environments where criticism was common, where fear was subtly reinforced, or where self-doubt became a familiar companion. We might find our minds replaying past mistakes, anticipating future problems, or simply engaging in a constant stream of self-criticism. We might believe that these negative thoughts are just who we are, or that we have no control over them. And in doing so, we often create a reality that reflects those very thoughts, manifesting more of what we don't want. We might feel stuck, drained, and unable to move forward towards our dreams. But my dears, I am here to gently, yet firmly, remind you that your mind is a powerful garden and you are the gardener. My work and the wisdom I've shared over the years is rooted in this fundamental truth: I am willing to change. And changing how we relate to our thoughts, how we choose new, empowering beliefs, is one of the most profound acts of self-love and conscious creation you can ever undertake. Today, we'll discover gentle wisdom and practical steps that can help you transform negative thoughts and cultivate a truly positive, life-affirming mindset. Let's begin by truly understanding the profound power of your thoughts. Every thought you think, every word you speak is an affirmation. Whether you realize it or not, you are constantly affirming your beliefs about yourself, about life, and about the world around you. If you continually think, "I am not good enough," or "life is hard," or "I'll never succeed," then those thoughts become your reality. Your subconscious mind doesn't judge. It simply accepts what you tell it and works to manifest it. So, the first step in transformation is to become aware of this process. The first step in transforming negative thoughts is awareness, without judgment. You cannot change what you are not aware of. So, begin by simply noticing your thoughts. Don't try to stop them. Don't criticize yourself for having them. Just observe them, as if you were watching clouds float by in the sky. When a negative thought arises, gently acknowledge it. You might say to yourself, there's that thought again, I'm not smart enough. Or, I notice I'm having a worrying thought about the future. This simple act of observation creates a little space between you and the thought, allowing you to realize, I am not this thought. I am the one observing it. Affirm, I am aware of my thoughts without judgment. I am the conscious observer of my mind. Next, let's learn how to question your negative thoughts. Many of our negative thoughts are simply old, ingrained patterns, not necessarily truths. When you identify a negative thought, gently ask yourself, is this absolutely true? Where did this thought come from? How does this thought make me feel? Would I say this to a beloved friend? What is a more loving, empowering thought I could choose instead? This process of questioning helps you to detach from the thought and see it for what it is, often just an old habit of thinking, not an immutable truth. Affirm, I question my negative thoughts and choose new beliefs. My mind is open to truth and love. Now comes the beautiful work of releasing and replacing. Once you've identified a negative thought and questioned it, you can consciously choose to release it and replace it with a more positive, life-affirming one. Imagine the negative thought as a puff of smoke and gently blow it away, or visualize it as a leaf floating down a stream, letting it go. Then, immediately replace it with a positive affirmation. For example, if the negative thought is, I always mess things up, you might release it with, I release the belief that I always mess things up. And then replace it with, I am learning and growing, and every experience is an opportunity to improve. Or, I lovingly approve of myself, and I do my best. This is not about denying reality, my dears, but about choosing a more empowering and truthful perspective. Affirm, I release old, negative thoughts with ease. I lovingly choose positive, empowering thoughts. Let's delve into the power of affirmations for cognitive restructuring. Affirmations are positive statements that you repeat to yourself, consciously choosing to imprint new, beneficial beliefs onto your subconscious mind. When you consistently repeat positive affirmations, you are essentially rewiring your brain, creating new neural pathways that support health, happiness, and success. Here are some powerful affirmations for a positive mindset. I easily release all negative thoughts. My mind is filled with peace, joy, and love. I choose positive thoughts, and my life blossoms. I am worthy of all the good that life has to offer. I am safe and secure in every moment. Every day, in every way, I am getting better and better. I love and approve of myself completely. I am creative, capable, and confident. My thoughts create my reality, and I choose a beautiful reality. I release the past and embrace the present moment with joy. I am surrounded by love, and all is well. Choose several affirmations that resonate with you and practice them daily, especially in the morning and before bed, or whenever you notice negative thoughts creeping in. Speak them with conviction, feeling the truth of those words in your heart. Consider the powerful impact of changing your internal dialogue. Pay attention to the words you use when you talk to yourself. Are you kind? Are you encouraging? Or are you harsh and critical? Start treating yourself as you would treat your most beloved friend. If you hear a critical voice in your head, gently intervene and offer a kinder, more compassionate message. This simple shift in internal dialogue can profoundly change your self-perception and your outlook on life. Affirm, I speak to myself with kindness and love. My inner voice is supportive and encouraging. Let's also acknowledge the role of forgiveness in releasing negative thoughts. Often, negative thought patterns stem from old hurts, resentments, or self-blame. Forgiving others, and most importantly, forgiving yourself, is a powerful act of liberation. Forgiveness doesn't mean condoning the behavior. It means releasing the emotional charge that holds you captive. It frees you from the burden of the past, allowing you to embrace the present with a lighter, more positive heart. Affirm, I lovingly forgive myself and others. I release the past with ease and embrace freedom. Another gentle approach is to limit exposure to negativity. Just as we nourish our bodies with healthy food, we must nourish our minds with positive input. Be mindful of the news you consume, the social media you scroll through, and the conversations you engage in. If something consistently brings you down, lovingly choose to limit your exposure to it. Seek out uplifting books, inspiring podcasts, joyful music, and positive company. Your environment profoundly impacts your inner landscape. Affirm, I lovingly protect my mind from negativity. I fill my awareness with positive and uplifting influences. This is not a process of instant perfection, my dears. It is a gentle, ongoing practice like tending a garden. Some days you'll be more successful at weeding out the negative thoughts than others. Be patient with yourself. Be persistent. Every conscious choice to shift a thought, every repetition of a positive affirmation is a step toward a more joyful and peaceful mind. Remember, You are deeply worthy of happiness and peace. You deserve to live a life filled with positive thoughts and beautiful experiences. Your mind is an incredible tool, and you are its master. With love, awareness, and consistent practice, you can transform your inner landscape and, in turn, transform your entire life. So, my beloved friends, as we gently bring this session to a close, I want to remind you that transformation begins with small, consistent thoughts of love and peace. Every time you consciously choose a positive thought, every time you lovingly release an old belief, every moment you affirm your worth, these are the tiny seeds that blossom into your profound mental peace and a life filled with joy. You have the power within you right now to cultivate a mind that serves your highest good. Keep practicing these powerful affirmations daily. Let them be your gentle guide. And if this message has touched your heart, if it has brought you a glimmer of hope or a spark of clarity, please show your love by liking this video. Subscribe to our channel so we can continue to share these healing sessions and grow our community of conscious creators. And please share this video with anyone you feel might benefit to spread this positivity and love far and wide. For when you share love, you multiply it. Remember, my darlings, you are loved, you are worthy, and you are magnificent. Go forth and choose peace. All is well.